Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and delicious jalapeno cheddar cornbread. Oh, ignore those collard greens. Those are not for you. Super easy recipe. Let's get into it. All right, so these are the ingredients that you will need. I have the flour, the cornmeal, the sugar, the eggs, the butter, the buttermilk, which I tweaked myself, but make sure you buy the store-bought buttermilk, child. And then I got the cheddar cheese and pickled jalapenos. Hey, girl. Well, we have a guest in the back, but I'm doing what I gotta do. Okay, so let's get into this recipe. It's so easy and simple, child. You cannot mess this up. So you want to put your sugar down into your bowl as well as your egg. Ignore me in the background. I'm definitely giving super tired mom, super exhausted, but you know, it is what it is. You want to also add your buttermilk. I'm going to be using some butter extract. We are making a pastry, bread, cake, whatever you want to call it. So, you know, you want to put some extract down in here. Mix this up, get the sugar nice and dissolved, and then we'll be adding the dry ingredients as well. Now, this does not make a large cornbread, but this method is so simple and easy to double and triple because of the 1-1-1 method. So now you want to add your cornmeal, your flour, and your baking powder. Mix this up until the white and yellow disappears. Also a tip, when you are making cornbread, you also want to allow it to sit 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes so that the flour and cornmeal can absorb the liquid. And you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about in just a minute. But yeah, get it nice and mixed in like I'm doing here. And then we're going to add the cheese and jalapeno. Alright, so now I'm going to add the white cheddar as well as the pickled jalapenos. I've never used pickled jalapenos before, and I'm happy I did. Granted, the fresh, of course, will always be superior, but I like that tang that it had in the cornbread, and that's just my taste. But if you feel like, I might not like that, use the fresh jalapeno. You're good to go. Add some butter down in here that I almost forgot, y'all. And mix this up really good. Get it nice and incorporated, especially that butter. And then you want to allow this to sit at least 10 minutes before you put it in the oven. As you can see, it's a little loosey-goosey. Okay, it's a little loosey-goosey because the flour and cornmeal has not yet absorbed the liquid. So I'm going to let it sit and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So now you're going to pour it into your baking dish. You see how it thickened up, got nice and thick and good to go. You want to pop this into a 375-degree oven until it's nice and baked up, golden, the cheese is melted, and a toothpick or a knife comes out clean. This is how it looks right here. Perfect on top, no cracks. Well, it might have a couple cracks, child, but to the eye socket, there's no cracks. But this is what it looks like, and then you just want to brush over some butter, as if it needed more butter, child. Make sure you grease your pan because that cheese will let your cornbread stick. Your pan needs to be greased, okay? And this is what it looks like, perfectly cooked. You can see the cheese, the jalapenos, okay? Moist, delicious. And then child, look how I done sprung it on y'all. My mouth is watering. Y'all, look at my collard greens. Don't ask for the recipe because I'm not sharing. Get off my phone. But, of course, you got to serve your cornbread with some collard greens. And that's pretty much what I did. Don't worry, y'all. I have a collard green recipe below. I know how y'all do. Don't drive me too bad. But this is how it looked. I hope y'all give it a try. If you do, tag me and let me know what you think. I appreciate y'all always supporting my channel. For the people that's patient with me, I'm trying to be consistent, but you already know how it is. If you live in the real world, you know how it is. But this is how it looks. And if you try it, tag me. I don't know why I don't be putting I need to start putting my social media down below or whatever. But you want to add some hot sauce. And this is the perfect bite. Got a little collard, got a little cornbread, and you're good to go, okay? But I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!